Papaya is a tropical fruit that is widely known for its delectable taste and vibrant color. But aside from its delicious flavor, papaya is also packed with essential nutrients and health benefits that make it a true superfruit. In this article, we will explore the various nutritional components of papaya and how they can help promote optimal health and weight loss. Nutrition profile of papaya. Papaya is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. It is particularly high in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and aids in collagen production. Papaya also contains significant amounts of vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and skin, and vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant. In addition to vitamins, papaya is also rich in minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are necessary for proper bodily function. It also contains dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and promotes satiety. Health benefits of papaya. Consuming papaya regularly has been linked to a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the top benefits of this amazing fruit. Boosts immune system. The high concentration of vitamin C in papaya helps to enhance the body's immune system, protecting against infections and diseases. Promotes heart health. Papaya contains powerful antioxidants such as lycopene, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering inflammation and oxidative stress. Reduces inflammation. The enzymes present in papaya, including papain and chemopapain, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory conditions. Aids digestion. Papaya contains a digestive enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and aids in digestion. It also contains fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. Supports weight loss. Papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. The high water content in papaya also helps promote feelings of fullness and prevent overeating. How papaya can aid in weight loss. Papaya is a nutrient-dense fruit that can aid in weight loss in several ways. Here are some of the ways that papaya can help you shed those extra pounds. Low in calories. 1 cup of diced papaya contains just 62 calories, making it an excellent low-calorie snack or addition to meals. High in fiber. The fiber in papaya helps to regulate digestion and promote feelings of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Hydrating. Papaya has a high water content, which can help you feel more satiated and prevent overeating. Rich in nutrients. Papaya is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health, making it a great alternative to high-calorie, nutrient-poor snacks. Delicious and versatile. Papaya is a delicious fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, including as a snack, in smoothies, or as a topping for salads. In conclusion, papaya is a true superfruit that offers a wide range of essential nutrients and health benefits. Its low-calorie and high-fiber content make it an excellent addition to a weight loss diet, while its numerous health benefits make it a great choice for overall health and well-being. By incorporating papaya into your diet, you can enjoy its many benefits and work towards achieving optimal health and weight loss.